My headphones. Anywho. Yeah. It's another six-figure production. What up, Philly? Nigga jamming this out. Fuck you, real. Apologies to my woman, I supposed to need love, but all I wanted was money. Paper over pussy is the motto of 100, even though some niggas broke and they fronted. More city on my back, it ain't my time, but I run it and I ain't never hit the club without me and pussy quite stunning. We blow a lot of kush, I guess you can say that we blunted, so we talk a lot of shit, but the subject is always money. You niggas wanna chop, but wouldn't think that shit was funny if you knew just how your bitch be hopping her dick like a button. She all on my dick cause I make a lot of money. I ain't Wayne, but I can truly say that she gets nothing from me. See, I just call her bitch, and you call her your woman, nigga. I done fuck for years, little nigga, you just a dummy. You nutted in that bitch, oh, now that's your baby mama. Boy, I be out in her shit like Mexicans in the Honda. No, I don't want your bitch, and I ain't trying to take it from her. She just looks after my kids like middle school in the summer. And yes, I confess, I fucked without a rubber, but see, you a sad case, cause you tell a bitch that you love her. I make a lot of dough, so I get away with whatever. We be breaking all the rules, cause we steady stacking this cheddar. We went and pierced our nipples, and that shit was clever. It be turning bitches on, so that mean I die for whatever. You never catch me snoring, cause the money never sleep. But you'll see me on the scene with baggy eyes and fresh sneaks. Telling hoes that I've been up for 4 days, getting money both ways, dirty and clean. I deserve a glass of rosé. 6 figures with me and my niggas gon' say, cause it make it rain like a walking stripper holiday. It repassed me to cook so we can light up. Bro, niggas in violation like elementary school write-ups. Like, who would've thought I'd be caught in this life? Let's celebrate with a toast and get lost in tonight and make it all light up. Fussy Kelly, we gon' wait until the sun goes down. We gon' make this bitch light up. And we be telling Nelly Daddy, but when the sun goes down,